and I'm going to consult with my colleague in the National Assembly so that we synchronize on when we can have sittings for the report to be tabled and discussed in both houses. Remember, we are on a recess until 11th of next month when we resume, but I'll be consulting with the leaders of the majority and minority to see if a special sitting will be necessary for us to look at the report. If not, then we'll table it and discuss it when Senate resumes on 11th of next month.
This is the very first time that the institution of Parliament has been given a task of midwifing a bill coming from the people of Kenya as a popular initiative under Article 257 of our Constitution. So this occasion is very, very historical, and we are happy that as members of the two committees, we have done the best that we could